Okay guys, welcome to another OmniTech video, and this is the video you have been waiting for because I promised a few days ago, or maybe over a week now, how to connect your entire house to the internet only with your phone. Only with your phone, that's all. And for this, you will need to watch the videos I've uploaded before on EasyTether or PDANet, how to install them on your phone, then how to install them on your computer, and after you have made the connection with your phone to the computer, that your computer now has internet from your phone with the methods I showed you on the videos, and I will probably try to link them somewhere here on the cards. Then we come to this part of our journey on making it possible to run your entire home's internet from your mobile phone without buying extra tethering data, without anything except for your own internal unlimited data. That's all you need. Now let's get to the devices we need. You obviously need a router. This router I have here is a little bit of an overkill. You can get a smaller, cheaper one, but sometimes you can find these with 30-40 bucks used as well. What do you need to do after you set up the router? And you can check on the internet how to set up a router, you know, the Wi-Fi password and all that stuff, or you can leave it at default. Sometimes it doesn't really matter, or you may have a router that's already set up at home. After you get past that part, first thing you do, take the Ethernet cable, connect it to the back of the router. In my case, it's a yellow one. It's the one that says internet. That's the one we are aiming to. If you see it right there, that's the one you want to connect the cable to, internet. You connect it on the same plug that you would connect from your ISP, right? But in this case, our phones are going to be our ISP, and you'll see in a minute. Then you input the cable. The other end of the Ethernet cable, we will have to plug in to our computer. It doesn't need to be a laptop. It could be a PC. It could be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. The process is exactly the same in all of them, and I will show you here in a moment. But first, let's plug the other end of this Ethernet that we connected to the internet port here to our computer, and you just simply connect it to the main port of Ethernet on your computer. And it goes the same for PCs. They have one port of Ethernet. So now, what do we do here? We turn on the router. First of all, before you do anything inside the computer, which I'm about to show you, turn on the router and wait for the router to be fully on. Not just the power light, not just the WPS light, all the lights except for the internet light that should turn either red or yellow for no internet, and should turn either green or white for internet access. And let me show you what I'm talking about. You give it time, it starts with it, then it will go to the power, then it will start the other lights slowly, and then you will see when the router turns the lights for Wi-Fi that is waiting for you to put an internet connection. And I will fast forward this part. Okay, this is the point that we need to wait up to. It took a while because this is quite a beefy router and it takes its time. So, what are you looking for here? 2.4 gigahertz is on, 5.5 gigahertz is on. So these two means the Wi-Fi is going on, right? Now, the power is on, but the internet should be white, but it's red. Let me turn off the light so you can see that. As you see, this is the internet light, and that light is red. It's not white like the other ones. Well, let's get to the computer side, and I'll show you how to make that light go white and have internet in your entire house, only from your phone. Let's go there. Now, as you see, we're inside our computer screen right here. And what we want to do at this moment is search for Easy Tether. Easy Tether. And Easy Tether. You click it. It goes here on the bottom. You see that? And right now we don't have any device connected. None of them. What do we do at this point, since we have already the device here? I'm using a Samsung right now. And what do we do on our device side? Well, we go here. We go to Easy Tether. At the Easy Tether app, I hope you can see the camera does that stuff, and there's nothing I can do about it right now. You click that USB part of there. At this point, you connect a USB. In this case, I have a USB-C, but I'll connect the USB to the computer and take the other end and connect it to your phone. When you connect to your phone, the Easy Tether will go straight to the computer, and as you will see here on the screen, as you saw, it just connected right now. So what do we do at this point to make it now be shared with the router? Well, it's very easy. You go to the computer where you see the network logo on the bottom right, go to Open Network and Internet Settings. From there, you go to Change Adapter Options. At the adapters, as we see, this is the main Ethernet that we have the Ethernet cable connected from our computer to the router. And this is our second one. It's Easy Tether Network Adapter, it says, the one that we connected from the phone. You right click on it, go to Properties, and you click Sharing. In here you click Allow, and you select with which one would you like to share. I believe in Windows 11, you may not even need to do that. It just click share and that's it. You don't need to select. But in some Windows versions, you need to select which network port. We choose Ethernet. We click OK. And you give it a minute. Right now, let's go to the table and wait for the lights to change. As you see, the light just changed to white. Right now, we have internet in the entire house. Right now, the entire house has internet from a simple cell phone, that's with Easy Tether, shared to our computer, which our computer has internet right now, and going to our router. Now, to test it out, let me pull a device right here. We go to our Wi-Fi. As you see, it's not connected to anything. It says incorrect password to the other one. Our listed Wi-Fi right here, as you see, will be Omnitech 2 and Omnitech 5. I will choose Omnitech 2 just for ease of use. Omnitech 2. And the password was set to Netgear 2. Netgear 2. We click connect and we click connect again, and you'll see connected right away. Let's test the speed now. We go to the speed, wait for it to start, and at this point we click go, and you'll see if the speed is any good. And we are talking about this speed throughout your entire house. This tablet right here is not connected to any SIM card, to any alternative networks or anything. It's strictly connected from this router right here. And just to prove to you that I'm actually only grabbing this internet from this router alone, I will show you right now the internal settings of this router on the computer. Okay, let's go to the computer. Here we're inside the computer. We go to our internet browser, and as you see, we connected to Omnitech 2 right there, and the name of our network here is Omnitech 2, and the password was Netgear 2. So yes, we are only connected from our computer that we just installed. And with that said, I hope this video helps somebody out there. If you need help or you get stuck on the installation somewhere, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be more than willing and ready to let you know further what to do if you get stuck somewhere. I hope you learned something, and we'll hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching another video from Omnitech, and bye!